Look at a quick tutorial on how to map a shape onto a 3D object. So let's start with creating that 3D object. I want to create a can. So I created a circle. I went up to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel, hit Preview, and now I'm going to rotate this just a little bit because I want that can to be kind of slightly skewed. And then if you look at here, the default depth on this feature is at 50, but I need that to be a little bit taller can. So I think I'm going to make it a little too long. That looks about right. But before I click OK, or actually no, I'm going to click OK, I'm sorry. So that exists in my Properties panel. It's showing as an effect. So now that I've created the can, I want to create a brand for that soda, and I'm going to make it a wow soda. So I'm going to convert it to outlines by, I use the quick key, but I want to show you type, create outlines. Now it's mapped out, it's an object. So now I've opened up from the window my symbols, which is sitting right here, and I just select that wow and I drag it in here and I make it a new symbol. I don't want a movie clip, I want a graphic, and I'm going to call it wow. So now I'm going to get rid of that. I don't need that. I have my wow symbol right there. So now I'm going to, in my Properties panel, I'm going to select this and click on this. And now that it's awake, and I've got to hit Preview to see what I've done there, I want to map something on this can. So I hit Map, and then up here it's showing me symbols available. It starts out with none, but if I go down here, I can see my wow soda. I really don't want it on the top, so I'm going to get rid of that. But I would like it on the side. So I am going to select wow, and then the thumbnail is going to allow me to move it. Now, I need to rotate it because I rotated that soda so that I have to orient it according to this little thumbnail and the preview. So I'm going to click that around there, move that down there. Maybe I'll scale a little bit. And now I click OK and OK. And now I have my soda. But remember, this is not truly vectored and created. If you look in View and Outline, it's just showing my circle. So I need to go back, and with this wonderful thing selected, I need to go to Object, Expand, Appearance. And now, if I go to the Outline View, I see that I truly have a vector object that is my can of soda.